So, hi, my mommy done my
You got your hair done today too.
So, I got dressed. So, my mommy got dressed like me. And my mom do her hair by herself.
I did. I did my hair by myself. And my makeup, trying something new.
And my
You like my makeup?
Yeah,
My eyes?
yeah.
Look at them. What color are my eyes?
Green and yellow. This is green and this is green. and this is Sherwin Swap.
Hi. About to put in some feed-in braids, single braids, or whatever they call. About to braid my hair, so check me out, cuz here I go, family. I need a trim. I need a trim. Now I know for any stylist, it's always hardest to part the back of your own head. So I used a little mirror technique. Had one on the desk that I was working at, one in my hand. It always takes an extremely long time parting my own hair. I wish they just had a tool for it, but they don't. Anywho, so braid number one, started off doing all right. Put my rainbow hair in right. I was really excited about it. Did the little feed-in method. Scooped it under. Braid, 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 twist. So once I got that braid done, I wanted to try a different method that I had seen online on this second braid. Now, this is where the struggle came in, because I'm supposed to flip one piece up, keep one part down, braid that first piece in, and then bring that second one back down. But it wasn't working, y'all. I was struggling. So I had to take it out, redo it, just the regular way, just looping it in braid by braid. So yeah, that method didn't work for me. So y'all see me struggling right here. I'm trying to get my fingers together, right? So I feel like I'm gripping the hair, but I keep missing. Y'all see I totally missed that piece of hair. And when I went to straighten it out, I just brushed it on out. There it is in my hand. So after finally going back to my original way that I was putting in these braids, I started to get a little flow and got the back of my hair done. Now mind you, it's like the wee hours of the morning, and that's really the only time that I can do my hair because I have 4 kids and they won't leave me alone during the day. So I have to deprive myself of sleep to get my hair done. It's 2 o'clock. I'm tired. It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. Now don't laugh at me, y'all. I got to sing my way through this hairstyle because I am exhausted. It's 3:46 in the morning, guys. I'm exhausted. But I have 8 more braids. I gotta get rid of this. When I wave, I don't want my arms to jiggle. Four more braids. Oh God, thank you. You're worthy to be praised. That I'm almost done with these braids. So on Thursdays I go over to my grandmother's, and that's today. While we're in coronavirus quarantine, she hasn't been out. I've been doing her grocery shopping for her, so she doesn't have to go out. I also do her hair. It's an added bonus for us to see her at this time. She's in her 80s. But listen, don't get it twisted. Granny got it, okay? You know how that last little bit of time when you at work seem to take the longest? Yep. These last braids. I feel like I'm just braiding. Forever. Anybody seen that movie, Sandlot? It's one of my favorite movies. Me and my mom, that's her part right there. Forever. Just braid forever. Doesn't it feel good to be done? Woo. I can feel a praise in my feet. Oh God. Oh, I could just start shouting right now. Oh, glory. I thank you, God. Okay, so I'm going to braid the ends, going to dip them, tie my hair down, and I'm gonna come back to y'all with the finished look. But I like so far, I like it. I like it, like it. I like it, like it. Now, at the end of my style, I plaited my hair up into 6 sections, dipped my braids in hot water, let them dry, and here is the final look, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hey, I almost forgot. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell so you can receive notifications. Also, comment below anything that you want to see me try next. Thanks again for tuning in.
So, hi, my nanny done my
got your hair done today too.
So I got braids. So my mommy got dressed me, and my mom do her hair by herself.
I did. I did my hair by myself and my makeup, trying something new.
And my
You like my makeup?
Yeah,
My eyes?
yeah.
Look at them. What color are my eyes?
Green and yellow. This is green. This is green. and this is your one swap.
Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, let me finish what I'm doing. Go upstairs.
Mom, Michelle, want me watch Pet. Mommy, Michelle,
Chase, go upstairs.
Michelle, want me watch Pet. No, 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 no. You're not coming down here. You're not coming down here. No. No! No! No!